Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with the same cicada nymph. As you can see, this guy is coming out of his shell. Can you see that cicada right there? I never did a video of this before, cicada coming out of its shell. But this is a pretty good experience right now to catch on camera. Yeah, so here's the cicada. There is another one. As you can see, you remember the video I did earlier? You remember those videos I did earlier? So it's the same. Right there is that same cicada, but it's got its color in now, and that's the same cicada nymph, which is already becoming a cicada. It's pretty good to watch them transform over their process of becoming an adult cicada. And their number one, and I saw, if you can kind of see, there's no drums right there. If you can see, there's no drums. This is a female cicada. Why? Because if you can look inside the shell a little bit, you can kind of see no drums. I was expecting it to be a female. I was kind of expecting it to be one. What is it? Where's the cicada? It's right there. I get so confused of where this cicada is. There's that cicada nymph transforming. It's pretty interesting to watch. It's pretty interesting to watch them come out of their little nymph shell. It's pretty interesting. Some people have did time-lapse videos of cicada nymphs coming out of their shells. Kinda looks like an alien. Kinda looks like an alien bursting from a human's chest. That's what this kind of reminds me of. If you remember those chest busters, those aliens that burst out of people's chests and stuff, that's what this kind of reminds me of. Or maybe you guys kind of remind this may be you guys kind of remind you of that. Will remind you of that. So, yeah. This is a cicada nymph bursting out of its shell as an adult cicada. See those little green wings? We got little green wings. Look at that head, looking right at the camera. See this head is looking right at the camera. He's staring at the camera. As you can see, this guy's staring at the camera, literally. Yep. This is not at nighttime, okay? You can see it's daytime. My dad told me some cicadas can emerge during daytime, too. Like, I found a cicada nymph maybe a couple of days ago. It was pretty small. It was climbing up. I think that was a grasshopper cicada, I don't know. But it was climbing up. It was on its back, actually. The cicada nymph, maybe I found a couple of days ago I didn't do a video of. It was right down there. It was on its back. I put it in the porch. Yeah. I don't know really. Go outside. Let's wait after a little bit.